Hey YouTubers, good morning, it's Rob Moffitt, Rob's Homemade Life. Guys, this video is for people who don't have a lot of space and would like a workshop, maybe even a little garden, and perhaps even a little place to cook out on the balcony. I've been making stuff on my balcony for 10 years and I've got some tips for you. Let's start. First tip number one is put everything on wheels. This shelf unit is on wheels. This shelf unit is on wheels. This table is on sliders. It's real easy to move if I want. Of course, if I've got something on here I don't want to vibrate, I can take those sliders off and then this table is solid. Another tip is if you can have stuff that folds. This is a Keter table. It will fold right up and I can put it over in the corner and open up this entire space. Now, another tip is have a place for everything. If you can, try to organize stuff by labeling all your containers and so on. Now, once you do organize everything in a container, sometimes you forget what's in the container. What you can do, this is probably the most important tip of the whole video, is you can organize your stuff digitally by just recording what's in things. Like I have a digital list and a printout of what's in that container, and that container over there underneath the drill press, and in these shelves, in these drawers. So if I want to look for stuff, I can just enter the word I'm searching for and it'll search through my list and find out where stuff is. So since you need to be organized and have stuff put away, you want to know where stuff is put away. So otherwise you go to Home Depot and buy something you already have. Next thing, summertime, it's dreadfully hot. It's dreadfully hot. Get yourself a ceiling fan. It changes everything. You can work out here even in the middle of summer. So that's been a big blessing. Now, if possible, because I'm not set up for sanding and grinding, if you don't have a vacuum system or something set up that you can help when you have a lot of dust flying around, don't use or start projects that require you to do a lot of sanding. So that's one tip. Otherwise, you're going to be spending half of your time cleaning up. If you're worried about noise, you should be. You don't want to bother your neighbors. Here's a tip for you. Here they mow the lawn like twice a month, all day long. You can put your power tools on when they've got the lawnmower right out your window. Or here in the summertime, even other parts of the year, we have thunderstorms, it's raining. People can't complain if there's a lightning storm and you've got a jigsaw. Like you want to be, in the middle of the day maybe. Don't do it in late afternoon or early in the morning. Be respectful, but you can still do stuff and not bother other people. You want to fit your projects to your space, so try to not decide to build a giant entertainment unit. You don't want to have a Guinness Book of World Records project. Just fit stuff to your space and your tools, and you're going to be a lot happier. Another thing is that after a while, everything that's plastic, it breaks off in the sun. If you have containers of glue that are plastic, also things that are metal, they're going to rust from the humidity, so that's a big disadvantage. So you want to compensate and be on the lookout for it. You want to have tools that come in cases, like here and here. That way when you purchase something, if it's in a case or a bag, you can keep it stored. Otherwise, if it's just a single item and it's loose, it becomes difficult to find unless you have an inventory. Now, what about gardening? Because I do have a garden here. I found it's really helpful to use vertical plants to take advantage of the space. And then you can also use vertical plants as something for other plants to wrap around. It's helpful. So I also use perennials you don't have to keep planting. Like this is chaya. It will continue to grow year after year. The hibiscus and even the parsley, it comes back year after year. So those are some of the also if you're cooking, just get yourself a little piece of tile for your tabletop, and it's easy to clean off. So those are my tips. I hope they helped you. And if you're interested in having a little shop on your balcony and you don't think you have enough space for your projects, well, of course you don't. You never have enough space. You never have enough storage. You never have enough tools or enough time. So, but just get started. Guys, it's been Robb's Homing Life. I put in new videos every week. We've been doing it for 15 years, got over 1,000 videos, and I put new stuff on every week. Guys, hope this was helpful to you. And you leave a helpful comment if you have any helpful information to help other people. And take care. See you out there.